Good morning, children. Hope you all have a nice weekend. Today, we are going to revise the topic Rules of Integers for Addition. Rules of Integers for Addition. Okay. As you already learned, integers are a special group of numbers that are positive, negative, and zero. Integers are a group of numbers that are positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. All positive numbers are greater than 0 and all negative numbers are less than 0. Okay. The integers which we add or subtract could be positive or negative. Hence, it is necessary to know the rules for positive and negative symbols. Okay. The integers which we add or subtract could be positive or negative. Positive vara, negative vara. So, it is necessary to know the rules for adding integers. Okay. Let me explain this, children. Adding integers with the same sign. Adding integers with the same sign. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. Example, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Here 6, 2 and 8 are positive integers. A number without sign is considered as a positive number. Okay. 6, 2 and 8 are positive numbers, positive integers. So, when we add two positive integers, our sum also a positive number. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. Okay. Next, about negative numbers. Negative numbers. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. When we add two negative numbers, in this example, the numbers given are negative 6 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 8. Negative 6 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 8. First you add 6 plus 2, that is 8, and put the negative sign. Okay. Our first rule is the sum of two positive integers is always positive. When we are adding two positive integers, add the numbers first and write the number. A number without sign is considered as a positive integer. Okay. Positive integer ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത positive symbol ഇടേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. When we are adding two negative integers, add the number and put the negative symbol. Clear? Now, children, adding integers with different signs. Different signs. If the numbers we are adding have different signs, subtract the smaller number from the larger number, then determine which number is larger. Okay. The sign of the answer will be the sign of the larger number. If the numbers we are adding have different signs, subtract the smaller number from the larger number. The sign of the answer will be the sign of the larger number. Okay. Here in this example, we are adding a positive number and a negative number. Numbers having different sign. One number is positive, that is 8, and the second number is negative. Positive and negative. In such cases, you subtract the smaller number from the larger number. That is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. What is the answer? 6. then put the larger number sign. That is, here the number having larger value is 8. Since 8 is positive, our answer also positive 6. Okay. In next example, negative 8 plus 2. Same rule, children. We are adding two numbers with different sign. One is negative and the second is positive. First number is negative and second number is positive. Same rule, follow the same rule, that is 8 minus 2. Subtract smaller one from larger number, that is 8 minus 2, 6, and put the larger number sign. That is, here the larger one is 8. 8. Then put its sign, so our answer is negative 6. Negative 6. Okay. These rules are very important, children. When we are adding integers with the same sign, that is to addition of two positive integers or addition of two negative integers. Okay. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. Okay. Next, if we are adding two numbers with different signs, that is one number is positive and the another one is negative. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number and determine which number is larger. The sign of the answer will be the sign of the larger number. First you subtract the numbers, then put the larger number sign. Okay. Children, let us do few examples using the rules for adding integers. Okay. Children, here our first question is negative 8 plus 8. Negative 8 plus 8. Integers with different sign. Integers with different sign. So what will we do? Subtract the numbers. Subtract the numbers, that is 8 minus 8. What is 8 minus 8? 0. Here both numbers have same value. Both are 8. Since our answer is 0, it has no sign. Okay. So here we are adding two numbers with different sign. So subtract it. That is 0. Next, negative 9 plus negative 11. Negative 9 plus negative 11. Adding two negative numbers. Add and put negative sign. 9 plus 11 is 20. Since two numbers are negative, our answer is negative 20. Negative 9 plus negative 11 is negative 20. Okay. 9 plus 11 is 20 and put negative sign. Next is 13 plus negative 19. 13 plus negative 19. One is positive and the second one is negative. Follow the rules, children. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. From the larger number. Smaller number, larger number na subtract here. Here 13 is a smaller number. So subtract 13 from 19. 6 is our answer. Since the larger number is 19, our answer also negative. Because here the sign of 19 is negative. So answer is negative 6. Okay. Here we are adding two numbers with different sign. Subtract smaller number from the bigger number and put the bigger number sign. Here the bigger number is 19. So our answer is negative 6. Okay. Our next question is 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Here both numbers are positive. So add and write the positive number. 7 plus 5, 12. Positive 12. Okay. Next is negative 12 plus 10. Negative 12 plus 10. Follow the rules. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10. 2. Here the bigger number is 12. So the sign of our answer is negative. Because negative 12 plus 10 is our question. 12 minus 10 is 2 and put the larger number sign. It is negative 2. Okay. Next question is negative 22 plus negative 16. Negative 22 plus negative 16. Both are negative numbers. Follow the rules. Add and put negative sign. 22 plus 16, 38. Since both numbers are negative, our answer also negative. Negative 38. Okay. Then in this question, 18 plus negative 5. 18 plus negative 5. Subtract the smaller from the bigger. 18 minus 5 is 13. Since the larger number is positive 18, our answer also positive 13. Okay. So children, here we are adding numbers with integers with different signs. Positive 18 plus negative 5. Follow the rules. 18 minus 5, 13. Since 18 is a larger number, it is positive also. So our answer also positive 30. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. Here in this question, negative 5 plus negative 3. Both are negative. So 5 plus 3, 8 and put negative sign. So our answer is negative 8. Negative 8. Okay. Next is negative 11 plus 9. Positive 9. Plus 9 means positive 9. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 11 minus 9 is 2. Since our large number is 11, it is negative also. So our answer is negative 2. Negative 2. So here our answer is negative 2. Okay. Next is 6 plus negative 7. Adding numbers with different sign. Different sign. So subtract the smaller from the bigger. 7 minus 6, 1 and put the larger number sign. Here 7 is the larger number. Its sign is negative. So our answer is negative 1. Negative 1. Clear? Next is 5 plus 8. Both are positive. Add and put positive sign. 13. Positive 13. Okay. Children, here we are learning about rules of integers for addition. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. Sum of two negative integers is always negative. Okay. When we are subtracting two integers with different signs, subtract the smaller number from the larger number and put the larger number sign. Okay. The sign of the answer will be the sign of the larger number. Hope this topic is clear for you. Watch the video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Thank you, children.